In this video, we'll be covering the installation process for the Hero NXT Special Purpose Child Restraint. The first thing to highlight is the requirement for the vehicle to have ISOFIX attachment points, so that the necessary ISOFIX system can be utilised. ISOFIX points, such as these shown here, are not always present in vehicles, depending on when and where the vehicle was made. It is therefore important to check the intended vehicle for use prior to prescribing the Hero NXT. Clamping the restraint to the vehicle using ISOFIX points is a mandatory part of the installation process. If a vehicle does not have ISOFIX points, the Hero NXT cannot be used. To make the ISOFIX connection, firstly retract the mechanism using the grey strap located at the rear of the restraint by pulling the bottom section of this strap rearwards. Once exposed, the ISOFIX connections can be made by pushing the ISOFIX latches over the connection points in the vehicle seat. There should be an audible click when the latch connects. To confirm connection of the ISOFIX system, you should be able to see a green strip displayed here on either ISOFIX arm. Once connected, you can push the restraint rearwards in the vehicle seat so that the Hero NXT is as close to the vehicle backrest as possible. The Hero NXT is supplied with two black ISOFIX guides as standard. There may be benefit for using these adapters where the vehicle seat upholstery is in the way of the ISOFIX connection points and prevents installation. Once the Hero NXT is in this position, the next step for the installation is the appropriate setup of the integrated foot prop. The length of the foot prop must be extended to reach the floor of the footwell to provide support and stability. To do this, press and hold the two grey buttons located here. The angle for the foot prop must be slightly away from the vehicle seat. It should not be in a fully vertical position. You will see that there is a red section at the top of the foot prop shaft. If any part of this red section is visible, the foot prop setup is incorrect. If the foot prop does not reach the floor of the vehicle's footwell, the Hero NXT will not be suitable to be used in the vehicle. The final step for installation of the Hero NXT is the adjustment of the black damping bracket at the rear of the restraint, which has two settings that can be changed through the grey lever located here. This bracket should be adjusted so that it contacts the vehicle seat backrest. It is important to mention that the vehicle seat belt is not required and does not need to be used in any circumstance with the Hero NXT. And there we have it, a perfectly installed Hero NXT special purpose car seat.